You have your graphic optimized for DTF, and the file has been ripped. If you don't know what rip means, watch this video on preparing your files to print. Let's print a DTF transfer. When printing a DTF transfer, the printer lays down the CMYK colors first, and then lays the white down. You'll notice that all of the CMYK inks get covered with white ink, and that serves two purposes. The first is that white ink acts as a bonding agent for the adhesive powder, which we're covering in the next video. Without it, your transfer would not adhere to a garment well and not be very durable. The second is that DTF printing is a subtractive color process, which means that as you add color, the results get darker. For this reason, when printing on darker garments, the white is needed to keep colors bright and vibrant. You'll also notice the image is printing backwards or mirrored. That's because what you're looking at is the back side of the graphic that will attach to the shirt. Once pressed, it will look right. Looking for more creative inspiration and expert DTF tips? Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you're notified when our next DTF.com video is released. And head to DTF.com for industry news, products, shop profiles, and more tips to help you grow in the DTF space.